mechanics is, in some sense, the most successful theory ever developed. It can calculate something like the magnetic moment of an electron to, 11 decimal places or more. I forget what it is, but it's something ridiculously high precision. It can calculate the energy levels in hydrogen, and yet it has this sort of philosophical undercurrent which bothered some people and doesn't bother others. That theory has fundamentally changed the lives of almost everyone on the face of the earth. And the reason is that it was an understanding of quantum mechanics that led to the invention of the transistor. The invention of the transistor led to semiconductor electronics, and semiconductor electronics are so pervasive. Based on the kinds of things that Bell taught us, and the idea that things can be in superpositions where you can't even in principle know what the answer is going to be before you measure it, and that in some very real sense it's in both states at the same time. That's a feature that is only recently been exploited in quantum mechanics, and that has led to things like quantum computers, which are sort of in their baby stage now, but are developing really, really rapidly. Nobody would have said, we're going to make a transistor. That was on no one's radar. And I don't think that the things that we may be able to do with these new kinds of quantum devices, whether they be quantum computers or simulators or sensors, I don't think we can yet imagine the amazing things that might happen that are waiting for us, maybe a few decades in the future. No one imagined that laser cooling was going to lead to quantum computers, but it has. Why do we have this very human, it seems, drive to learn something new, to discover new things? It's a very philosophical question. It's also a psychological question. You might even say it's a theological question. The forbidden fruit was where? It was in the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, right? And good and evil doesn't really mean probably, what it means is the knowledge of everything. That knowledge was something that drew people in, and obviously the people who wrote that part of Genesis understood something about the things that drive people.